Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I'm looking at how to add products or services to your Intuit Quickbooks account online. So the first thing you need to do is from the home page, click on the three line at the top right corner, top left corner actually, and then click on new up here, and then you can see add products and services under order. Click on it, and then here is for services, here is for products. So under products, we have non-inventory products you buy or sell but don't need to or can't track quantities. For example, nuts and bolts. Just see. So you can put in the name. You can also change the type. So under service also, you can add the service you offer. Put the name, put the picture, edit everything, the category, the description, the sales price per rate, the income account. As you go into services, you can also decide to choose if anyone that goes with what you're doing actually. Then the purchasing information, you can put it here, and once you click on save and close. Now if you want to do for products, choose non-inventory. Don't know why we can't choose inventory, because the kind of work I'm actually doing, the kind of accounts are opened. So put in the name, the category, the description. So for us to know the category, this is one I have on ground non-fiction. You can add new categories to it. The description of the that will appear on the sales form, the sales price per rate, income account, purchase information. Once you choose everything, the flare pictures and edit this whole stuff, and then you can save and close. Or you can let you save and close it, or you save and create another product or service, add another product or service. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.